Most people get this wrong. They assume Freedom Pay Advance is just another payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's evolved into a versatile financial tool, offering early wage access, flexible installment options, and budgeting insights to help users manage money more effectively. Here's how it works. Freedom Pay Advance allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often in just a few hours. This can cover unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent expenses without turning to high-interest credit cards. On top of that, some purchases can be split into smaller payments, making it easier to manage monthly budgets. The app is simple and intuitive. You can track advances, monitor repayment schedules, and even see insights into your spending habits. Push notifications ensure you never miss a payment, helping avoid late fees and keeping your finances on track. The downside? Overusing Freedom Pay Advance can get costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can lead to fees, so it's best used as a short-term solution rather than a long-term strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications enabled for reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependency on the app. Who benefits most? Users with a steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, Freedom Pay Advance in 2026 is a practical, flexible tool, but only if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and money tips that keep you in control of your finances.